Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reset your password on Quora, so let's get right into it. First of all, you can create an account on Quora in different ways. You can create an account specifically for Quora by using your email and creating an account that way. You can log in via Google if you have a Gmail address, or you can even log in via Facebook as well. So those are some of the ways you can do this. And for each of them, you'll have your password. For Facebook and Google, it might be, or I think 99% it is the same as your Gmail or Facebook password. So keep that in mind when changing your password. I don't know if this will change your password on those sites or if it will create a new password on Quora. I think it should be just on Quora, but keep that in mind. Be careful on that in that regard. However, let's get right into it. The way you actually change your password is by clicking on your account icon in the top right. Once you do that, go into settings, which is near the bottom. And once you're in settings, you will be taken to your account tab or your account settings, which is the first tab that pops up. And as you can see here, you can add another email address, you can change your password, you have your country of residence, which is automatic. You can log out or require email verification for two-step verification, connect to other services, and so on and so forth. But to change your password, just click on the change password button, and here you'll be able to enter a new password. And once you click done, you should have your password changed. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.